Hello friend, welcome to Phone Rating YouTube channel. This video discuss about the Symphony G27 mobile full review, specification and price. So let's start my video. Price 7,999 taka. Brand Symphony. Category smartphones. Added on 10th August 2024. Last update 11 August 2024. Release 2024 August 10. OS Android 14. Display for 6.56 720x 1612 pixels. Camera 8 megapixel 1080p. RAM 3 GB RAM. Battery 5000 mAh LiPo. Or rating. The overall rating is based on review by our experts. Design 10 per 7. Connectivity 10 per 6. Display 10 per 5. Features 10 per 7. Performance 10 per 3. Battery 10 per 9. Camera 10 per 2. Usability 10 per 7. Pro and cons. Pros 4G network connectivity, 6.56 inch 80 plus display, 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, dual rear camera with 8 megapixel, 5000 mAh battery, 226.87H standby. Cons 5G is not supported, quad-core 1.6 GHz processor, no fast charging, 100% is in 170 minutes. Specification. Price official 3 GB 32 GB 7,999 taka. Launch announced 2024 August 10. Status available release 2024 August 10. Network technology GSM HSPA LTE 2G bands GSM 850 900 1800 1900 SIM 1 and SIM 2 3G bands HSGPA 850 900 2100 4G bands LTE speed HSPA plus LTE. Body dimensions 163.8x 75.5x 9.5 mm. Weight 189 g. Build glass front plastic bag. SIM dual SIM nano SIM TF hybrid dual SIM dual standby. Display type IPS HD plus in cell technology 16.7 m colors. Size 6.56 inches. Resolution 720x 1612 pixels. 23.9 radio. 269 ppi density. Platform OS Android 14 Go Edition. Chipset CPU quad-core 1.6 GHz. GPU 550 mHz. Memory card slot micro SD up to 256 GB. Internal 32 GB. RAM 3 GB. Variant 3 GB 32 GB. Main camera dual 8 megapixel 2 megapixel. Features AI portrait night shot auto manual burst panoramic audio note filter QR code face beauty display flash HDR flashlight quick capture smile shutter time lapse touch shoot video 1080p at the rate 30 fps selfie camera single 1 5 megapixel video 1080p at the rate 30 fps sound loudspeaker yes 3.5 mm jack yes connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN hotspot Bluetooth yes GPS yes with GPS NFC no FM radio yes USB Type C 2.0 infrared port no feature sensor fingerprint side mounted G sensor proximity light sensor battery type non removable LiPo capacity 5000 mAh charging wide 100% in 170 minutes standby 226.7 hours tell time 20.1 hours more made by China color ice green dark ash air blue other features face unlock night light digital well-being screen recorder do not disturb mode smart control and smart motion charging animation mini games dynamic capsule customizable Symphony G27 price in Bangladesh November 2024. The Symphony G27 is now available in one variant 32 GB 3 GB RAM. Now Symphony G727 price is 7,999 taka in Bangladesh G27 has a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging. This device is running with Android 14 and is powered by an unknown chipset. Model Symphony G27. Price BDT 7,999 taka. Display 6.56 720 x 1612 pixels. RAM 3 GB, ROM 32 GB. Release 2024 August. Symphony G27 highlight. Symphony G27 will be launched in August 2024. The G27 launched with a model number unknown. Firstly, its dimensional measure is 163.8 x 75.5 x 9.5 mm. The weight is 189 grams. Secondly, the display of the G27 is a 6.72-inch LTPS display panel with 720 x 1612 pixels resolution. The display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. Thirdly, and most importantly, it is powered by the unknown and runs with Android 14. Moreover, it has up to an octa-core 1.6 GHz CPU. The Symphony G27 phone has a dual camera setup on the back. This formation consists of 8 megapixel 2 megapixel camera. It has a 5 megapixel selfie camera inside the notch of the display. The video recording capability is 1080p and 30 fps according to its RAM and ROM. It has one 3GB 32GB variant. On the other hand, it can support up to micro SD using a dedicated slot. Currently, G27 has a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging. It has a dual nano SIM card slot, that is to say G27 is 2G, 3G, 4G supportable. The fingerprint sensor is side mounted. On the other hand, among the other features, there is fluent Bluetooth and a USB port. Your question and or opinion about Symphony G27. Which question you will have about this phone? Let's justify this. There we are including the major question and answers about this phone. So let's start now. When it will be released? It will launch in August 2024. What is the price of Symphony G27? The price of Symphony G27 is BDT 7,999 taka. How much RAM and ROM does it contain? It has one variant with 3GB in RAM and one variant of 32GB in ROM. But overall, you can get one variant 3GB, 32GB in the market. Which type of display panel is used in it? It comes with a 6.56 LTPS display panel with 720 x 1612 pixel resolution. How are the record processor and chipset? It contains an unknown chipset and Android 14. It has up to an octa-core 1.6 GHz CPU. What are the camera and video capabilities? The dual camera setup on the back is 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The video recording capability is 1080p at the rate 30 fps. Do it support a 5G network? No, it support a 4G and with 2G, 3G and 3G. How the battery capacity is? The battery capacity is a 5000 mAh light polymer battery with fast charging. What sensor does this phone have? Fingerprint, face unlock, proximity accelerometer sensor. Which country and company manufactured it? Symphony manufactured it and this phone is made in China. Reason to buy. In this paragraph, we are going to describe the important measure to buy this. Why did a person buy this smartphone? Firstly, when anyone wants to buy a device, they find out the premium things on the day according to their price. So let us find some eligible things that are in G27. Or verdict. On call conclusion, we are giving our verdict on this device. If you want to buy the best 4G smartphone under 10k taka, then Symphony G27 will be in the first row among the best smartphone. Dear friend, if you have an attraction to online games like Free Fire and so on, then you can buy them because it has RAM and a well processor using a non chipset. If you want a big backup on charge, then you can buy this because it has a huge 5000 mAh battery. In addition, it's a 4G supportable smartphone, so you can get good network facilities on it. However, it has a dual cam setup with a 8 megapixel primary camera, so the image and video capabilities may be good. Therefore, to judge of all of these reasons, you can buy this. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने में, मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।